Question third. Traditional classroom learning is better than online learning. Write a debate either for or against the motion. Answer. Traditional classroom learning is better than online learning. For the motion. Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, my name is XYZ and I am here to express my views for the motion. Traditional classroom learning is better than online learning. In today's world, human to human interaction is considerably decreasing, and if school is to be taken away completely for all students, that would cause even more imbalance to social structure. People are calling, tweeting, and texting with one another instead of seeing them face to face. Online classes would only be the next step to further remove people from social interaction with one another. Traditional classes improve our physical fitness and mental alertness. If we have done any mistake, the teacher can rectify the same in the class itself. Interactions with good teachers help motivate students to achieve higher marks. This helps them to learn some good habits such as bathing, breakfast, going to bed at the right time, etc. Physical schools help children adopt discipline. People tend to make friends who support them and mentors who guide them. While face to face education has been around for centuries, online education is still developing. At the end of the day, a student must ask himself or herself a very important question. Am I going to school to learn life skills and learn how to be successful in the future? Or am I going to get a certificate? To conclude, I would once again firmly like to say that traditional classroom learning is better than online learning. I am thankful to all of you for being such patient listeners. Question fourth. Pre board exams are a waste of time. Write a debate either for or against the motion.
First of all, we must clarify what is the meaning of pre-board. If you are the resident of India, then you understand what is the meaning of pre-board. But our courses are seen by the students of our 140 countries as per the data available on Udemy. So we must clarify what is the meaning of pre-board so that you may understand the topic, and only after that you will be able to understand the debate on this topic. In India, we are having three types of boards: state level board, then we are also having CBSE board or ICSE board. In case of 10th or 12th exams, if these are the schools, they may be affiliated to a state level board, or they may be connected with CBSE or ICSE. That is, the final exams of 10th or 12th will be conducted and evaluated by the state board or the national level boards. The same pattern may be available in the different countries, as all the degrees or papers are not set at the annual time by the school itself, because in case of higher exams, for example 10th or 12th, the papers are set by an outside agency, which may be a government agency, and that is called board. Next.
Answer. Pre board exams are a waste of time. Against the motion. Good morning, respected judges and my dear friends. My name is XYZ and I am here to express my views against the motion. Pre board exams are a waste of time. Normally, schools conduct one or two full fledged examinations before their students sit in the final examination conducted by the board. Such examinations are called pre board examinations. In my opinion, it is incorrect to call pre board examinations a waste of time. They are extremely useful. They take away a lot of fear and stress related to the board examination and prepare the students for the final exams. These examinations help the students to revise their syllabus so that they may get good marks in the final exams. The results of the pre board examination tell us how much we are prepared for the final exams. Pre board examinations provide us the opportunity to identify the weak points so that we can start working on them without feeling stressed. To conclude, I would once again firmly like to say that pre-board exams are not a waste of time as great things never come from comfort zones. I am thankful to all of you for being such patient listeners. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.